Small gardens often feel cramped, not because of their size, but because of how plants are chosen and placed. When space is limited, every plant matters. The wrong choices can make a garden feel crowded and closed in. But the right plants can open it up, soften edges, and create depth that makes the space feel larger and more intentional. Today, we're looking at plants that visually expand small gardens without overwhelming them. Featherweed grass is one of the best plants for making a small garden feel taller and calmer. Its narrow, upright form draws the eye upward instead of outward, which instantly creates the illusion of more space. Unlike spreading grasses, it stays contained and vertical, keeping walkways and planting beds clear. In small gardens, use it in repeating clumps along boundaries or fences to add rhythm and structure without visual clutter. Vertical surfaces are often underused in small gardens. Climbing hydrangea turns fences and walls into living backdrops instead of hard boundaries. It grows upward rather than outward, freeing up ground space while adding depth and softness. Over time, it makes the garden feel layered and established instead of tight and boxed in. Russian sage brings lightness to small spaces. Its airy structure allows light and air to move through the planting, preventing the garden from feeling heavy. The soft, silvery foliage blurs hard edges and stretches visual boundaries. In compact gardens, it works best along edges where you want height without density. Structure is essential in small gardens. Boxwood provides clean lines and definition without dominating the space. Its compact growth keeps borders tidy and visually organized. When used sparingly, boxwood helps the garden feel intentional rather than crowded. A single focal point can make a small garden feel more expansive. Japanese maples add height, movement, and refined texture without casting heavy shade. Their delicate foliage creates depth by layering light and shadow. Placed correctly, one tree can visually anchor the entire space and make it feel thoughtfully designed. Making a small garden feel larger isn't about filling every inch. It's about choosing plants that behave well, grow with intention, and shape how space is experienced. When plants are selected thoughtfully, even the smallest garden can feel open, calm, and carefully designed.